Right, I'm down here at Brockholes Nature Reserve again. I've literally been here seconds and I've already seen 2 deer run off up that way, and I've seen the local bird of prey over there fly off in over that way somewhere. So today's plan is we're here. I'm going to walk all the way around here, all the way around there, all the way around there, round there to here, and go all the way around there, all the way around there, round there, round there, sorry, back up there, round there, down there, all the way around here, cut across, round there, all the way down there, then I'll walk up here again, and then I'll go to the visitor centre for a brew. Then I'll come back out, and then I'll walk all that way round back to here. So that's today's planned route. So yeah, I've already seen 1 of them, 2 of them up that way. So let's crack on. Right, I'm now here at the top end of Brockholes. I'm going to walk round here. And this part here, all this wooded land here, is what I call bird alley. That's where you generally tend to get all your best shots of wildlife, i.e. birds and whatnot. I've just been sat here watching a reed warbler in the bushes, but just a bit too quick for me today. So yeah, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to try and get some footage of me taking pictures of the birds, and a nice white duck over there in the water. And it is very dirty today. Obviously it's rained overnight, but hey ho, it's a nature reserve. That's nature, isn't it? Get out in the mud and enjoy yourself. In a bit. Oh, missed it, gone, just flew off. But yeah, 2 herons over there flying. Just sat there, one chunky fat little squirrel. Just sat there looking at me little rowan. Literally feet in front of me, Mr. Chunky Squirrel going about burying his nuts. Literally feet in front of me, Mr. Curious Robin, loving the sound of a camera clip. Right, we've had a good stroll through Bird Alley. We are now here, which can take you all the way around the side of the river, which is up that way, and takes you all the way down there, which I'll be coming back up in a minute. So I'm going to continue down here and go this way and come back, go around, do a bit of a loop, and see what that gets me. swans over there, and we are at Brockholes, the nature reserve, where the cafe is, and it's 12:30 and it's dead, like a ghost town. This is why I come in week. You don't get badgered with everyone. Geese are off, heron in the background. Right, we've done a big majority of the loop. Not far from here, where I'm now at Brockholes, is where I saw my cat sighting, which I got some pictures, so it should look familiar. I'm just getting ready now to go down here towards the river, all the way around, go along there, down the side of the river, all the way back up to the car park, and do my final little loop and then carry on. So yeah, in between bits of this, I'll show the pictures that I've got today. So I hope you enjoy, and like I say, I'm moving over to YouTube, so if you want to continue following, this is how I'm going to go going forward. I've got a new piece of equipment which just makes things a hell of a lot easier for me, a hell of a lot easier, so I can bring you along for the journey and hopefully you enjoy it. So I'll catch up with you in a little while. Right, I'm walking down this part of the river, which is the far end of Brockholes as you come in. Just a little hint and tip for people, if you're walking down and bits of things are falling from above you, just stop and have a look, because generally there's either squirrels or birds picking the rich shoots off the trees. Generally, if you stop and look carefully, you'll see all sorts. So just a little useful tip for you if you're out and about in the wildlife down at Brockholes. I'll catch up with you in a little while. Right in front of me, there's a deer. Right in front. Oh, he's gone over the bank. directly in front, looking at me. Go. Squirrel sat in the tree there. Right, I'm on my home stretch, my last walk around a bit, some cormorants and swans over there. Yeah, this is what I call my last stretch. Walk all the way down here, all the way up round, and the visitor centre's over there, and the car park's over there. So yeah, this is my last stretch before going home. It's now 3 o'clock. I've been here since 20 past 9. So yeah, when I'm out taking pictures, I put the time in, because if you don't put the time in, you don't get the pictures. Easy as that. You have to be out there to see it, to do it. And I think I've got a couple of cracking shots. So this might be my last upload to Facebook. I think after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link that'll take you to Facebook, and you can see the pictures. So yeah, join along for the ride. I enjoy it. You enjoy it? Usual thing. Let me know. See you later.